August 15th, on this day in 1975, father of our nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the dreamer, the leader, the architect of Bangladesh, was silenced by the bullets of betrayal. Enemies of Bangladesh did not just kill Bangabandhu, they also killed his family, his bloodline. They thought that by killing him, they could kill the spirit of Bangladesh. They were wrong. Bullets took Bangabandhu away from us, but they couldn't take his spirit out from us. His dream, his courage, his ideology still flows in the veins of every Bangladesh who believes in 1971, freedom, justice, and dignity. Let us remember this day not only with tears, but with promises. We will build Sonar Bangla he dreamed of. We will guard 1971, our independence, which was earned under his leadership. Rest in peace, Bangabandhu, father of the nation, voice of 1971, and dreamer of Sonar Bangla. We will complete your mission with the will of Almighty. Jai Bangla.